Hey, welcome back to NethaxStark YouTube channel. I welcome you in this video, and this video is the part of our series which is of code execution vulnerability. And in recent two videos I shown you how you guys can get reverse shell and the vulnerability of medium level and low level. And in this video I'll tell you what are the mitigations or the prevention measures which you take to prevent your web server from code execution vulnerability. So first of all, let me tell you, you don't have to use dangerous functions. That functions we used in recent videos, which is this. So if I'll type pwd and if I'll type semicolon and ls, then it will just show me ls and that present working directory and the ls. So this is first danger function we use in the low vulnerability, and in the medium vulnerability we used pipeline. So if I'll type pwd, then this is pipeline. If I'll type ls or if I'll type ifconfig, then what will happen? It will skip a present working directory command and it will just skip this and it will forward to ifconfig. So this is there are some these are basically danger function which you don't have to use. First is semicolon and then second is pipeline. And here's our second mitigation, which is you should filter your input before execution. So for wait a second, let me tell you. Okay, so for example, let me print a function. So this is the pass through as a function, and then it will basically asking us to ping. Okay, and then it is basically giving us service of ping, and then it is taking our input here, which is here's our input. And what is happening when we input something? Okay, so let's check our text, and if we input here, let me just do one thing. Let's see, this is our input. I am inputting something. Okay, and here what it will do, it will just ping. Okay, so this is the fundamental service what the web server is providing us. So it will basically ping. So let's check. It is, I'm just putting any random IP. Okay, so let's think it is the IP, and here the user also provided semicolon or pipeline to basically invade into your web server. So then what you have to do, you have to filter, you have to analyze before execution. Okay, so if you'll analyze that here the attacker provided a pipeline or any dangerous function. Okay, so you have to filter it out, you have to delete that, and you have to just ping. Or you can basically apply some rules, which there are many rules, some modules you basically search. So there are some mitigations. First, don't use dangerous functions like semicolon and pipeline. If you have to use it, like this is necessary for your web server, then please filter it out and only give them result of ping. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.